One of the greatest mistakes people make is believing their value comes from what they do. They introduce themselves by their job, their degree, their accomplishments, their title, as though those things fully define who they are. But imagine this: tomorrow the title disappears, the business closes, the position changes, the award gathers dust. Who are you then? If everything external vanished, what would remain? That question reveals something important. Your greatest value has never been your resume. It has always been your character. A resume tells people what you have done. Character tells people who you are. A resume may open a door. Character determines whether people invite you back. Think about the people you trust the most. Is it because they have the most impressive achievements? Or is it because they are honest, reliable, kind, consistent? People remember character long after they forget accomplishments. That is because skills impress people, character impacts them. Every conversation you have, every promise you keep, every decision you make is quietly building your reputation. And reputation is not built in extraordinary moments. It is built in ordinary ones. The way you treat people who cannot benefit you, the way you respond when no one is watching, the way you carry yourself during failure, those moments reveal who you really are. If you want to become irreplaceable, do not begin by asking, "What can I achieve?" Begin by asking, "Who am I becoming?" Because the greatest investment you will ever make is not in your career, it is in your character. Part 1: Average is always replaceable. Imagine walking through a forest. Thousands of trees stand side by side. Most look almost identical, beautiful but ordinary. Then you notice one enormous oak. Its roots run deep, its branches stretch wide. It has survived storms that destroyed younger trees. People remember that tree not because it tried to stand out, but because time, endurance, and strength made it different. And life works the same way. If you choose the path of least resistance, you will always blend into the crowd, doing only what is expected, giving only minimum effort, learning only enough to get by. Those choices create an average life. And average is easy to replace. This is not about becoming better than other people. It is about becoming better than the person you were yesterday. The competition that matters most is the one you have with yourself. Every extra book you read, every new skill you develop, every promise you keep, every difficult conversation you handle with maturity, every moment you choose discipline over comfort, those choices separate you from mediocrity. Excellence is rarely one dramatic decision. It is thousands of ordinary decisions made consistently. Most people are waiting for one big opportunity. Irreplaceable people create opportunities through daily excellence. So do not chase attention, chase growth. Attention fades, growth remains. Part 2: Character is your greatest advantage. Talent may help you get noticed. Character determines whether people trust you, and trust is one of the rarest currencies in the world. Think about a bridge. People cross it every day without fear. Why? Because they trust what they cannot fully see. They trust the strength beneath them. Character works the same way. People trust those who consistently do the right thing, not when it is convenient, not when someone is watching, but because integrity has become part of who they are. The strongest leaders are not always the loudest. The most respected people are not always the most famous. Very often, they are simply the most dependable. When they give their word, people believe them. When they make a commitment, they keep it. When others panic, they remain steady. That kind of person becomes difficult to replace because reliability creates confidence. So ask yourself, what do people experience when they experience you? Do they leave encouraged? Do they feel respected? Do they know they can depend on you? Your greatest advantage is not what you know. It is whether people can trust the person who knows it. Character is built one choice at a time, and one day, those choices become your reputation. Part 3: Master your craft. A master craftsman never says, I know enough. The moment learning stops, growth stops. There is beauty in watching someone completely devoted to improving. A musician practicing scales long after the audience has gone home. A chef preparing the same recipe hundreds of times until every moment becomes effortless. An athlete repeating one motion thousands of times because excellence lives in repetition. Mastery is never accidental, it is intentional. Most people become impatient because progress feels slow. They want extraordinary results from ordinary effort. But nature teaches us a different lesson. The tallest trees spend years growing roots before they ever tower above the rest. The strongest foundations are buried where no one can see them. Real growth often happens in silence. Every hour you spend learning, every mistake you choose to learn from, every skill you patiently refine is another root growing beneath the surface. One day, people will notice your success. They will call you talented. They will say you were fortunate. They will admire the fruit. But very few will appreciate the roots. But you will know. You will remember the early mornings, the repeated failures, the lonely practice, the countless moments when quitting would have been easier. Those unseen moments are what made you irreplaceable. Never stop learning. Never become satisfied with yesterday's version of yourself. Because the people who leave the greatest mark on the world are not those who knew everything. They are the ones who never stop becoming students. Part 4: Solve problems others avoid. There are two kinds of people in every workplace, every family, every community. The first notices problems, the second solves them. The first points fingers, the second rolls up their sleeves. The first waits for someone else to act, the second quietly becomes the answer. Guess which one becomes irreplaceable? Imagine a lighthouse standing on a rocky coastline. Storm after storm crashes against it. The wind howls. The waves rise, the darkness grows. Yet the lighthouse never complains about the storm. It simply does what it was built to do. It shines. That is what valuable people do. When everyone else is overwhelmed by the problem, they become a source of clarity. When others panic, they remain calm. When everyone sees obstacles, they begin looking for solutions. That does not mean they always have the perfect answer. It means they refuse to become another part of the problem. The world already has enough people who criticize, enough people who complain, enough people who wait. What it desperately needs are people willing to carry responsibility. Every problem you solve increases your value, not because solving problems make you more important, but because it makes you more useful. And usefulness creates influence. The next time you encounter a challenge, do not ask, whose fault is this? Ask, how can I make this better? That simple question has the power to transform not only your work, but your entire life. Part 5: Make everyone around you better. Imagine two candles in a dark room. The first candle lights the second. Has the first candle lost anything? No. The room simply becomes brighter. Great people understand this truth. Helping others shine never makes your own light weaker. It makes the world brighter. Unfortunately, many people live with a scarcity mindset. They believe another person's success somehow reduces their own. They compete when they should encourage. They compare when they should celebrate. They guard knowledge instead of sharing it. But the people who live the greatest impact think differently. They understand that real leadership is not measured by how many people follow you. It is measured by how many people become stronger because of you. Think about the people who changed your life. Perhaps it was a teacher, a parent, a mentor, a friend. What made them unforgettable? Was it because they constantly talked about themselves? Or was it because they believed in you? They saw potential you could not yet see. They challenged you, encouraged you, lifted you, and because of them, you became better. Now, imagine becoming that person for someone else. Encourage someone who doubts themselves. Share what you have learned. Celebrate another person's success without envy. Offer help before it is requested. Listen with genuine attention. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness changes someone's entire day. And sometimes that single day changes the direction of their life. Never underestimate the influence of making other people better, because people may forget your achievements. They rarely forget how you help them because more that they rarely forget how you help them become more than they believe they could be. That is a legacy no promotion can ever replace. Part 6: Build a legacy, not just a career. One day, else will sit at your desk. Someone else will hold your title. Someone else will do the work you once did. That is the nature of every career. But there is something no one can replace: the life you touched, the character you demonstrated, the example you set. Imagine planting a tree. The person planting it may never sit beneath its shade. Yet, years later, children will play beneath its branches. Families will rest under its leaves. Travelers will find shelter from the sun.